Hi guys! Welcome to our cooking channel! Just kidding, we're gonna make some gingerbread cookies today.
Oh, this is...
My sister is here today and we're gonna cook together, so hope you enjoy. We're using a 1959 recipe, by the way, which is pretty much the same as the modern one, so I don't know what's the drill here, but stay tuned.
It's called gingerbread fancies.
Fancies?
Butter, we need butter.
Do we have butter? Yeah, I bought it. I didn't know how much butter we're gonna need, so I bought like a big one and then a child.
A child? No.
So it's like a butter family.
We should do the baby Yoda.
Basically the plan is, I don't know how to hold
We
this.
don't have the plan.
That is true, but the plan is to make gingerbread because we don't have the cookie cutter for the gingerbread, so we thought we're gonna improvise.
I got us help.
We have a helper. Mm-hmm. 1 cup is 250. No, it's 200 millimeters. So if it's, you know what? I'm just gonna Google it.
Sorry.
How much butter fits in a cup? Wow, this looks ready to make. Stop. Ah! No! No!
Oh, it looks so cute. With the light, not you.
So now I'm putting the butter into the bowl. The sugar.
Wanna help us?
Don't cook Baby Yoda. Do the honors.
Yeah. Do the honors and you're doing it?
Because you left.
Damn dust.
Been staring most of
I think it's too much.
It was supposed to be 200. How much did you put in?
Almost 3. Because it was supposed to be a cup. Cup is 250.
I'm not sure.
1 cup.
It's like 230. Okay, so that's almost there.
Okay, it's okay.
It's okay. It's supposed to be sweet, right?
It's supposed to be sweet, yeah.
And then you need to heat molasses.
Yep. 1 cup.
Fun fact, because of my giant hands, I'm actually not too bad at opening jars. Exhibit A. Looks like death.
We want it to be original.
So molasses was featured in like almost every vintage recipe we found, but it's not something that we like. Can you? Thank you.
Sorry.
But it's not really something that we use in Poland, so we didn't know. We don't know what it is. Oh my god, it's so strange.
Cool.
It looks, you know what? It looks like when you go to a candy factory and they make candy using those like huge sugar thingies.
Yeah.
That's satisfying.
I know. Yeah, it's boring.
Okay, how much is it? It's almost
Use
200.
the spoon because it's not gold. It's not going! It's supposed to be 130.
God damn it. Oh my god, are we really heating an empty pot right now?
Do you think it's too much?
No, let's just put it in.
Immediate. It's different.
Do you speak Russian? What a spacious kitchen! Oh my god, it's burning!
Well,
Because it's a hot pot
how am
now!
I supposed to do it today? It smells nice when it's burnt.
I think when you heat it, it's probably going to be like thinner. Well, when you boil it, then you pour it over the... Oh, I forgot to mix the butter with the sugar.
Yeah.
Also, I think I probably should have like cut the butter into smaller pieces before I put it in there.
Anyway. Oh. My hand. Oh my god, my hand again.
Ow! Just let me do it and you mix the butter and the sugar.
Yes.
Hot stuff should stick to the hot stuff. It smells like cheese. I don't think that's what it's supposed to smell like. It smells like Marmite.
Yeah.
And it looks like Marmite too.
We're just saying we hate this.
We were just talking about how Marmite is not the best thing that we've ever tried. How is the butter going?
It's going swell.
I think it's gonna get better once I pour the molasses over, because it's hot and it's a liquid at this point.
What next? Maybe you can just mix it with hands later. Good old hands. I'm crying.
Don't cry, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna turn out glorious.
I always cry when there's camera on.
I know. Maybe you're allergic to the camera. Okay, so I have to pour this over butter and sugar, and then we have to add the vinegar. So I might as well look if we have any, because I haven't checked.
Can I just move with hands?
You can try.
Czy miałeś słuchać, co tutaj?
Nie wiem, ja nie wiem nawet czy nas witać.
O Jezu, dobra, moment. Pour over. Add vinegar.
Whoa!
Disgusting.
Disgusting. Is it 1 tablespoon?
Yeah.
Should we like stir it?
Because I was trying to.
Oh my god.
I guess we should use the mixer, but maybe.
No, it's okay. Because it's all melting in the molasses. Moses.
Moses?
Looks like vomit!
Set aside to cool.
Hey, to show me.
When cool, add dry ingredients together.
What dry? Oh, yeah, we need flour and stuff like that.
Flour. Or flour.
We're
so stupid!
Trying to move you. What's wrong with him? Khubzu zanjabili.
What language is this?
Arabic. Do you want to learn gingerbread in Chinese?
Jiangbi.
Jumping.
Czech Republic.
Pernik.
Pernik. French.
Pain d'épices.
Pain d'épices.
How is it?
Pound a piece.
Oh yeah.
Gingerbread.
Oh my god, it's Japanese! Gingerbread.
Gingerbread.
Because it slows down the second time you press it.
Gingerbread.
Gingerbread.
Here's a definition of a gingerbread and it says cake made with molasses. So like what is the Polish gingerbread though? Because it doesn't feature molasses. Like what is it? It doesn't count as gingerbread.
Baking soda, 2 teaspoons.
Pan de jengibre.
Pan de jengibre.
Mejopita.
Mejopita. Why are they all so happy with the gingerbread?
Mayo.
And we're like piernik. Ginger is, oh I have it here.
Imbir?
I think so.
Imbir? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you 100% sure?
90. No, I'm 90%
It's
sure
what
that
goes.
ginger is imbir in Polish.
But it's awful.
It does smell pretty bad, not gonna lie. You know what? I'm just gonna make sure that it is in fact imbir. At this point, you're making the cookies and I'm learning languages here.
Yeah.
Piparkakut.
Piparkakut.
Piparka.
I feel like all of the Scandinavians are gonna be something around like pepperkakki or something.
Yeah.
Pepparkaka.
Pepparkake. They're into liquid mixed well. Chill overnight. We're gonna give it like an hour to chill in the fridge and that's enough.
Pan di zenzero. Pan di zenzero.
Pan di zenzero. This is getting thick.
As you.
As everyone during the quarantine. I think this is your part now. I think you're gonna have to mix it with your hands. So...
Yeah, did you add an egg?
No. Was I supposed to?
add an egg,
I
yeah.
didn't say so.
When cool, add egg. And show that we have an egg.
Have you ever seen an egg? Have you ever seen a Polish egg?
Egg. Oh yes, I like it very much.
I don't know why, because I hate having my fingers dirty and
I hate
it goes underneath your nails.
Yeah, I hate this too, but I think the pros of this...
It's kind of like slime.
Yeah, that's why I like it. Can you put more
Yeah.
flour? This shouldn't smell like this.
It smells rotten.
생강빵.
Senganpang. Listen, it's gonna be baked, right? So the smell will go away, you know?
Pão de gengibre.
Pão de gengibre.
Zencefilli çörek.
Zencefilli
What
çörek.
is this?
Turkish.
Please. The other one, and you can like put it around.
I feel like you're 5 years old and I'm dressing you up.
Mommy, what the smells? It's not good.
Oh, honey. That ain't right. You know what? I'm gonna look up the word disaster in many languages.
Desastre.
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 La cosa terrible. This dude is confident we'll make it. Why is it not focusing? Why didn't you tell me I have flour on my chin the whole time?
Because I'm not looking at you in narcissistic. I will try it. It's not bad. It's not bad.
If you like close your
no,
mouth,
it's not bad.
it's like a giant pile of shit. Oh my god, literally horse shit looks like this. To be continued, we just put the dough in the fridge and hopefully that's enough because it says overnight, but obviously we don't have, well we do have the night, but we're not gonna use it watching
We're
over
busy
cake.
women.
We're busy.
Yeah.
We have stuff to do. Oh, you smell.
Hello.
So we had a wooden board that we used to roll out the dough, but apparently the board is moldy, so we ain't gonna use it. And instead we're using pieces of cooking sheet paper. What was it called?
Baking paper.
Smakuje jakieś takie zdrowa żywność. Jak im dłużej gryziesz, przez chwilę jest fakatem, jest taka zdrowa żywność, takie kulki. Te kulki z... No mama robiła te kulki, nie wiem.
Trudno. That's not too bad.
This looks like the cat from space. The TV show.
Yeah, like the alien cat that the boy
He was
had in his...
purple.
Wow, such a pile of garbage. I'm making like a Victorian corset, but it's gonna be big because otherwise I can't get the details in. It looks nice for now.
No, it doesn't.
Why?
I don't know, I just don't think it's good.
Can you hear me going like...
Oh no. What are you trying to do?
I know it looks like Batman at the moment, but it's actually a bonnet. I'm trying to make like a bustle dress lady, but I feel like it's gonna be too big.
But what is...
She doesn't have any
This.
arms.
She's an armless lady.
She's an armless Batman lady. Do some research on dragons first and then make something. Oh my god, what is that?
What is that? You're supposed to be different when I was a giant devil. No.
Oh, it actually does look like a devil, yeah. Oh my god, her head fell off!
It's a headless lady now.
Stays. I'm gonna make them strapless though, because otherwise it's gonna break. No, I think the worst case scenario is that it's not gonna show. Ah, I ruined it, never mind. Hi and welcome to making an Edwardian hat gingerbread cookie. As you can see, I'm very skilled at this. My family has been doing Edwardian hat cookies for over 100 years now, and you know, that's basically our family business at this point. That's what we're known for. Wow. See, you can note some flowers going on in here. This is ostrich feathers, obviously. Maybe if I make a top hat, it makes more sense because it's gonna be like a good shape.
Oh, so like the magician hat?
You just offended thousands of people that wear top hats every day.
I'm sorry, I apologize. Should I make a video about it?
Disrespect!
We can make it work.
And if you put it this way, it's a 16th century shift. Wow, look at that. I don't know why our oven is on the floor. I don't know why. Don't ask stupid questions. It doesn't affect the taste of food, okay?
Yeah.
So we took these.
She's having a breakdown.
We took these out after 10 minutes, as the recipe said, and I think it's still raw, to be honest.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna let it cool down and we'll see, but I think it's raw. And by the way, we're also super tired and we spent several hours doing this at this point and we're super like exhausted. It's not even fun anymore. I don't know why we're filming it.
Be good.
It's probably also gonna suck. I just wanted to announce that her head is back on.
Here we go. Oh. Nobody's looking nice.
Professional. Damn, boy. That's a proper corset right there.
Okay.
My head is shaky.
Yeah, it looks.
Ta-da! So we have decorated some of the gingerbread cookies and have a look. And we have a mermaid. Look at her tail. It's so pretty. We have a top hat. She looks possessed slightly, but she's it's a skin condition. And then we have Stace. We're so exhausted.
Done.
Here's the finished product. The brain hat, the tower of many windows, the possessed devil. Anyway, it's been literally the whole day. We're super tired.
Yeah.
We're never baking gingerbread cookies again. We just want to take
We
a
should
nap.
try it on camera.
Oh, you're right.
People need to know how
We should have like a
let's
taste
see.
test.
1959.
1959 right here. Oh! It's okay.
No, it's not bad.
It tastes like sugar. Oh, but it does have like a spicy undertone.
Yeah, boy.
No, I like
too bad.
it. It's not
It's not the best, not the worst.
Yes.
Thanks for watching and see you.
good night.
Good night.